first finlet. Hi guys, so we come down to the beautiful Christchurch Harbour, and I'm with Bradley, and we're going to go and try and catch some finlet mullet, maybe some bass after we caught some mullet, but we're primarily mullet fishing today. So we can go for the finlet, and we're going to be catching those on spinners tipped with ragworm. So let's get out there. There is the rig. So we've got a size 12. A size 6 long shank at the back and a little spinner. This is Bradley's maiden voyage on a kayak. A Sussex kayak group fishing. I think if you paddle up to sort of, why don't you go up to the left hand side of these people, and then you'll drift that, you'll have a nice long drift of casting, and then just paddle up again. And that way we're out this traffic, but we're fishing effectively. First mullet. Nice little battle on the yellow riff rod. Yeah, it's a finlet mullet.
My lord. Well done, mate. It's like a nice fish as well.
It's not too bad.
It was just drifting, wasn't it? Just like slowly drifting across.
Yeah, well I was using the wind to pull the spinner and me along, just while we moved spots, and it grabbed it. Here you go, Brad. Thank you very much. You want to unhook it? Is it finlip or gold and grey?
Golden grey.
It's just got a golden patch on the cheek. Beautiful. That's the blank out of the way anyway.
It's the golden grey.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Oh no, it's not, it's finlet. Oh, can you pass it over? If you anywhere, you just want somewhere where you're comfortable, mate, really. If you wanted to go behind me.
I'm not worried
Yeah,
about
well,
I'm just enjoying myself doing this.
what I say, later on, if we're stuck and you're struggling with the wind, I can attach you to the back and we can drift like I'm just
Am I not going back? Can I just drift around here?
Yeah, of course you can, yeah. Yeah, you just have to paddle up when you get to a bank, wouldn't you? Catching any? Yeah? Any size? Any size? Yeah, good. Yeah? Another bass. Another one. Dunno. Bass 101. Look at that one. Huge beast. I took it right on the surface. What a scrap. Oh, a third fin lip. Quite a nice one. Ah, come on. In we go. There's a good girl. Right, wait. Do you swap rods if you want and use this one that's called free mullet, and then... No, but you can try it and then you know. I've got another one I can use, haven't I? I want you to catch, man. It's not a... Pardon? It's in the net. So I thought I'd bring it in here and we'd do the picky. It's alright, it's not too bad. Right, let's sort this rod out and then I'll... One way of doing it. Okay. Well, we'll have up a 20-minute break or so. Pardon? You will catch one, won't you? I mean, I've had 3 mullet now and about 15 bass. Nothing. Hasn't got any orange on. You don't want that bit. You just want the worm to stop where the hook is. Apart from that, there's nothing wrong with what you got on there. Oh, he ain't bad, is he? Oh, I love it. Well done. It's not bad. It's not bad for your first fin lip. Maybe with his first English fin lip mullet. That's not a bad fish, Brad.
Not bad at all, is he?
Yeah, well done. Yeah. Do you want to be? I'll film him going back.
Yeah, you got that?
Yeah.
You got that bit, yeah?
Well, I've got loads of video. I'll just take still out of it.
Yeah, that's fine, yeah.
So, Bradley, the slayer of the fin lips, he's got off the mark. You know, seriously, they can be quite tricky fish to catch. Then sometimes they can be quite easy. They're funny old things. That was obviously an easy one. Pardon? Yeah. Fin lip mullet. Yeah. Bye bye. Yeah, it's full of monsters. Bass 1001. Okay. If you want, we go into the side and have a break. But bass have got spots on, the little bass. Ooh. Oh, that's nice, guys. That's really nice. Bird on a tree. That's a bass. I'm just sitting here.
Nice looking fish, guys.
I got time. Is that light?
It's clear to that's fine. From up here. Look at that's it. The world seems nice fish, guys. Oop.
We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You and me.
Nice little fin lips.
We meant to be.
Good old boy.
In the great outdoors.
Second or third cast.
Forever.
Been trying for sea trout for the last couple of hours. And, drew a blank on the sea trout. They don't like the net, do they? Yeah, Bradley's in as well. Look, double take.
Times you need to go.
Is it?
Take a step
Really?
back to see the truth around you.
They go for it, don't they?
From a distance you
Both bent double. Look at that. Double hook up.
You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Another. You think that's a sea trout? I don't. And then they, it's like a the spinner's a teaser, and they go for the little bit of worm. They're one of my favourite fish. You know, they're good sporting fish. You can do. Usually when you fish for bread, you're fishing for the other type, or one of the other type, which is thick-lip mullet. No, that's a fin-lip mullet. And it looks identical apart from the mouth. Another fin lip on, guys. Yeah, that's my fish out there. Ow! Come on, guys. There's a bass.
There's another one chasing me now, look. Look.
Oh yeah. They're mullet. The bass has got the black tail. You see the black bit on the tail? Should I do a bit of video for that video?